So we got Chris with us from Velocity. And
hey guys,
what are we driving?
we got our 1968 Skyview Bronco here. This one's with our Ranger package, so we got a Gen 3 Coyote V8 up front. We get the 10R80 10-speed automatic. So you're gonna have really smooth power curve, really smooth power delivery.
Love it. Buckle up for safety, kids.
Yes, please.
You want me to hold that while you buckle in, honey?
I can hold her.
You want to hold that?
As need be, we get a nice little...
All right. We have liftoff. So we're gonna go back that way?
Yes.
Oh my God. Power steering.
Power steering, you know, it's every bit of the classic with, you know, with all the livability of a modern vehicle.
This is weird in a good way. Like I'm experiencing a crossover of worlds.
Right.
And I haven't even got out of the parking lot yet.
And that's what this is, you know, you're not having a carbureted 302 that you're questionable if it's going to start up in the mornings. This is a modern V8. You could simply take it to your, local Ford dealer if you had to. It's performance, Ford Performance crate motor.
Should I have gone out that way?
Nope, you're going to go right back to the entrance. Then we'll take a left on 98.
Okay.
Or left out of the...
At Watersound?
Yes. And then we'll get on to 98, open it up a little bit.
Okay.
So cute.
Hey, we're gonna go. Let's race the Roma. See, we already got to test the brakes.
There we go. 72 K5 to our left here.
Sorry about that. I was just really
in traffic like I know what I'm doing.
I was really excited. I almost missed you. Oh my God, you definitely need to drive this.
This is good.
Yeah.
We can do a little pivot when we get to the halfway point, a little median swap.
Yeah. Well, I'm fine if you want to, like, just before we get out of here, if you want to drive it.
I want to drive away from people.
Well, here, let me run these two over, and then you can drive. They're going to be the first comment on the video. I heard that. Oh my God. All right, Chris, so tell us, what's the damage on something like this? What's this going to put you back?
So we've got our Broncos starting at 249.
Okay.
This one with the Ranger package, a lot of those creature comforts, you're going to go about 270.
Nice.
But that's on a guaranteed 14-week lead time. So
Okay.
from the time of deposit to the 14th week, I'm calling you up and saying, hey, Chris, where do I ship this thing? Right.
Right, and I understand you guys are giving a rebirth to these vehicles, but is there any kind of warranty that comes with Velocity?
Right, so you're getting a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, no questions asked. That's directly from us. We partner with over 200 shops in the U.S. So wherever you're located, we can, it's a white glove service essentially. You call them up, put you in contact, get the car there, get you turned around.
Wow.
And the best part about ownership is, you don't have to worry about the day-to-day, oh, I can only put 10 miles on this vehicle. You can use this day in, day out, whether it's beach crawling, whether it's, romping down the beach with the kids, the pets.
Half or more of the experience for me is this sound
Right.
that a car or truck makes, and this, check the box.
You get that visceral reaction, but it's still a smooth power delivery with the 10-speed.
Oh, you see these goosebumps?
Right.
Oh my God. So you probably said in the beginning of the video, can you remind us of our power plant in this?
Right, so this is gonna be our Gen 3 Coyote V8, so right out of Ford Performance. Got about 460 horsepower, 420 on the torque figure. So every bit to get this going, this doesn't weigh but a couple thousand pounds.
Yeah, and you know, it still feels stiff, but not uncomfortable.
Right.
It's like when you hit a big bump, it's over real quick.
Yep, so you've got Bilstein shocks up front, so just every bit of modern, you know, reliability. So if you did want to take this off-roading, you could do so very easily.
Gotcha. I don't think I was in the turning lane there, but it worked. All right, honey. How much is one of my kidneys worth, you think? Tell me where you want me to go, Chris.
Oh, we can take it down just a couple exits, you know, into these medians.
Okay.
You know, if we want to swap drivers, we can do that just as well.
All right. Woo! This is a treat.
Right.
Oh my goodness. Is there a place to pull over on the right?
No, you can just pull over in the median
Okay.
at a turn lane.
Just turn around.
You don't want to drive it?
Not that much.
No, you don't have to. You can treat it very gently. You're not going to break it, I promise. These things are well overbuilt.
Had to give him a little treat.
Right. Let them know what they're working with.
We're gonna do a hot swap right here.
Perfect.
All right. We're not gonna let you out of it, Alice. We gotta get you in it.
If you ever want me to stop recording or...
Nah, just let it roll.
Alrighty.
I like the raw experience. I usually only like edit when it's a cinematic tour of a property.
Right.
For vlogging.
Oh yeah, I mean the vlog, I don't know how my mic's going to pick up with the air, but...
Yeah, double check it.
Right.
If it needs something in post,
Oh, he drops down when you open the door. So
Yes.
cute.
Tuck right back up. Yep, so just D-circle for your drive and, you know, we'll wait for traffic.
I
and
put
get
the
on.
seat back in case you want to move it at all.
How does it move?
Yeah, you
So it's like right here. Pull it to the side and then push it this way. There's a lever. There you go.
Push the other way.
I had a 50-50 chance that it was going to be one way or the other. Can I see your microphone real quick? Gratuitous microphone. shot.
Right.
The circle D.
Yes, circle D. So we'll just wait for a little gap and...
See how
Hang
he,
in there, hang in there.
I'm just feeling it.
Okay.
Just want to feel it. How he moves.
You can tell that I'm normally the one that drives.
Oh, sure.
So I'm like a very nervous passenger. I could never do your job.
Oh, I trust you wholeheartedly. Everyone's a car person here. And
Hey! It goes.
sure does.
Oh my God.
Give us a beans. Hit it.
There we go.
Wow. It just wanna go.
I wish we would have caught that expression. That was pretty cool. Maybe in the rearview mirror.
I know.
Oh wow.
That's the best way to be. Just behind
Oh
the
my
wheel,
God.
smile, the sun's out. Couldn't be a better day for it.
How fast are we going?
I don't know. But it feels safe, right?
Yeah, it feels
Then you're going.
tight.
Then you're not going too fast.
Right, nice and planted, just like any modern vehicle would be. Your Jeeps, your Broncos.
this for a
Alrighty.
minute. I don't want to miss the experience.
Oh yeah, look around, touch, feel.
Yeah.
That traffic light, right?
Yes. And that's really what we've done. We wanted to take an old classic and revive it. Give it those modern touch and feel.
What is
And that's all feedback from our customer base. Is that they don't want a project that's going to take 2 or 3 years.
Right.
They don't want a project that is just the communication is poor. You don't know if it's out of paint. The benefit is if you say week 7 your vehicle's in production, you can call me and say, hey, how's it look? We're out of paint. We're going into the marriage of the chassis. I can go out on the shop room floor and we can FaceTime. I can send you live videos and photos of, hey, this is your chassis, and we're right on time. And it'll be the next one.
Yeah. Stop sign.
And I love trucks. That's my favorite.
But it's not a truck that's so long and so unforgiving that you can't park it.
Right.
You can, you can see around the entire thing. It's a big rectangle.
Hey. Here we go.
And go on the right side.
The right side. They'll just wave us in.
Okay. You can have it.
With pleasure.
One
You
last
can
run of the
have it.
wheel. See? Didn't beat you up.
Oh, it's scary.
Scary.
Well, it is scary to drive nice things like this.
Yeah, she won't even drive my car.
I don't.
Oh, they're just pieces of metal.
Right.
I know, but this one is not mine.
Well, everyone's adequately insured here. I don't,
Right.
Yeah, I'll get you. Oh,
Oh,
no, you're okay. It's pretty gentle on these. Yeah, it's
Okay,
not
got
like
it.
the old Jeeps or anything.
I tried more gently the other time and didn't close.
Right. Clear for takeoff. And that's here, no better color than these pastel blues, yellows,
Oh, this is
greens.
beautiful.
It really harkens back to that, that classic homage. And that's what we're doing is
paint, the
we're,
lines on the front.
we're not going to be doing neons and all of that. We want to stay true to what Ford, got right back in the 60s. And that's the same thing with our Mustangs, our Ford chassis trucks is, why don't change what's not broken. We're just going to give it a new power plant, a new look on life, and really
So is
just.
this the four-wheel drive?
It is 4-wheel drive, so it's a 2-speed Atlas transfer case, so 4 low, 4 high. So going back to if you truly wanted to off-road this, if you wanted to take it through the sand, the mud, you could. They clean up just well. It's just pieces of metal.
So you guys, we will have information for Velocity down in the description below, but Chris, if you want to verbally say anything to, how do people connect with you if they want to get one of these?
Absolutely, yeah. We have our website, velocityrestorations.com. If you have any questions, you can just email us, info@velocityrestorations.com. My direct line, 850-495-9205.
On speed dial.
On speed dial. I live and breathe cars, and I wouldn't be here if that wasn't the case. When we talk about having to work and getting to be around these vehicles and clients like you guys, it is a special place to call a job.
So my hashtag for business is affectionately, I didn't really come up with this myself. My customers have named me the 850 Ferrari agent.
Okay,
but
there we go.
I think Alice needs a new hashtag.
There we go.
The 850 Velocity Bronco agent. I like it. It's a little long though.
A little long.
Maybe you have somebody with an accent. Tom maybe can help come up with something clever.
The Skyview agent. You had
There
to
we
harken
go.
back to the color. These, you know, we've got anvil grays. You know, the Brittany blue is really the classic, and you'll see that on our Ford Mustangs. That with the Wimbledon white, it just really.
Oh, and there's the one that you guys have been so excited about. That
that'll be coming up in a future episode here.
You can get a little preview as we pull in the parking lot. Over on our left.
Gesture.
Hanging out to it.
But really a fantastic turnout. I mean, a fantastic weather day.
Thank you so much, Chris. We really appreciate you.
Absolutely. Had a blast.
We hope to bring you many customers and become one ourselves. So we'll see everyone on the next one. We'll stop recording in case I crash into the parking spot.
No.